Is your Samsung TV displaying nothing but a black screen, but you suspect it's still alive and just needs a fresh start? You're in luck, because today, we're diving into how to factory reset your Samsung TV completely blind, using its physical buttons, restoring functionality even without a picture. First, locate the control buttons on your Samsung TV. These are typically found on the back, either on one side or the underside of the TV. You're looking for a cluster of buttons, often including power, volume, channel, and a central navigation or select button. Refer to your TV's manual or a quick online search for your specific model if you're unsure of their exact location. Once you've identified the buttons, this is what we will do. Firmly press and hold the power button on your TV. Keep it held down for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. This action often initiates a power cycle or a soft reset, which can sometimes resolve minor glitches. Release the power button after the time is up. Now, for the factory reset, it's crucial you perform these next steps in quick succession. Press and hold the exit button on your TV while still holding the exit button. Press and hold the volume down button after approximately 5 to 10 seconds of holding both the exit and volume down buttons simultaneously. Release them both. Your TV should now be in the process of a factory reset. You won't see a visual confirmation, so trust the process. Might take a few minutes for the reset to complete. Your TV will likely restart automatically once the reset is finished. Congratulations, you've just performed a blind factory reset on your Samsung TV. When it powers back on, it should be back to its original factory settings. You can then proceed with the initial setup as if it were a brand new TV, hopefully resolving any display issues you were experiencing.